Okay, guys, so I said I was gonna try to give you a part three to hanging it up. So now we're here and we're gonna try to see how we're gonna hang it up in the kids' room, A and B. We're just gonna call them A and B. So I just placed it on the bed so I could see how far it would be. So now let's get to it. I'm gonna plug in my glue gun and I'm gonna glue on the two sides and stick it on the wall. But I just noticed that their wall is not smooth. So I think that we are gonna still have to use like a hooking method to make sure it stays there, because I don't know how sturdy it will be because the wall is not smooth. So let's get to it. So yeah, guys, we're about to go and do the first one. I already put the screws in the wall and everything, and now I'm just gluing it down. My sister's gonna help me. She helped me out with the first one by just pressing on it and everything. It was nice. It came out real nice. I'm glad that I thought of like how you put the hook on the back of a picture frame to hang it on the wall sometimes. So that's what I had did with what would you call it, piece of wire that I had, and I used the screw and the hot glue. It was a real good genius move that we did. Yeah, right here we trying to hook it on the wall, and I'm telling my sister like, hey, you're not looking for the mark. You're doing your own thing here. Like, just let's just push. It was good. It was easy. It was fast. Nothing came back popping off the wall. It was down sturdy, and like before 30 minutes, I would say the glue had stick to the wall real nice. Yeah, I was giving myself that little victory, like, yeah, I done the first one. I'm like, one down, one to go. Yeah. So now I'm about to do the second one, and believe it or not, guys, where's my sister? She's already knocked out. Yeah, so I'm on my own for this one. But I mean, hey, it wasn't hard. The headboard was not heavy at all, so that was a plus. It wasn't light like it could fly away, but it wasn't heavy. So I just had to move down the bed a little bit. Now I'm doing my measurements. Hey guys, with this, please, please, please do not be like me. Use your measurements. I was acting like I guess sheer right here. Oh, that was the wire that I was telling you guys about in the screws that I used to adjust. I mean, to put on the back of my headboard. Yes. See my headboard still clean, eh? Yes, it's all nice and clean. So this me screwing it in. And after I finish screwing it in to secure it, because remember now we're using a cardboard, I put the hot glue around it. I let it dry up before I had move it and put it on the wall. It was good. And I did the same thing for the screws them on the wall, because I couldn't find studs in the wall for nothing. I don't know what type of building this was, but yeah, they were not 2 feet apart like normally how they normally supposed to be. Yeah, so I just did a MacGyver move, and I put the screws in the wall, and then I put some hot glue around it, and it was like it wasn't going nowhere. It wasn't budging. So yeah, and then the first time what I was telling you guys was that I gone and put the screws in the wall, just eyeballing everything. You know how Grammy just eyeballs everything when she bakes? Well, I eyeball this project right here, and I had a tape with me, so that was no excuse for me not to use my tape. But I guess I just was being lazy and trying to hurry up, put it up, because I was on a rush to get out of the school traffic. So yeah, I think this was when I made it a little too low, so I had to take it off the wall. But it wasn't no biggie, because the holes was no big holes or anything like that. The headboard is covering it up, but I mean, and I had material to fix it if need to be fixed, but it didn't need to be fixed because, like I said, this is their house. They're not going anywhere, and if she have to take them down, she'll be calling me to do the DIY project anyhow. So then I'll have to just fix the little, little spark and sparks and stuff. So now that was the glue you saw me put on there, and I let it cool, and now I'm about to put the headboard on. See? Oh, you can't even see what I was showing you, but yeah, I already put, yeah, I put it on the wall. Now I'm about to glue it down. Yes. Yes, auntie. Yes. Gluing it on the two sides. Yes. Oh, I need some more glue? Okay. Yeah, we're getting the glue. We're getting the glue. And then I'm going to stick it on the wall. Yes. She ready? Is she ready? Is is she ready? Is she ready? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'm tripping. But yeah, it came out great, guys. Very easy, very nice, very hands on. And you notice it was only me one doing this last one. It was good. It was real nice. So I'm just fixing back the kids' room, tidying it back up because I made it tidy. So I'm going to put it back. Annie's going to put their room back the way she made it. Yes. So I wish I had a recording of the girls' reaction when they came home and see their headboard, because when they came by me and they saw me doing it, they was loving it. They couldn't wait. But thank you guys. Please subscribe, thumbs up the video. See you guys next time. Bye.